If you're looking for the best ignition coils to boost your car's performance and reliability, you've come to the right place. We've researched and reviewed some of the most trusted ignition coil packs on the market, considering durability, compatibility, warranty, and real user feedback, so you can make the right choice for your vehicle. All product links are listed in the description below. Let's get started with the video now. Number 1. Mars-Ram Ignition Coil Pack Set. Starting off our list is the Mars-Ram Ignition Coil Pack Set, a solid choice for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury owners. This coil pack is compatible with a wide range of models, including the 2004, 2008 Ford F-150 5.4L V8, Ford Expedition, Lincoln Navigator, and even Super Duty trucks up to the F-550 V10. Built with high conductivity copper coils, it ensures faster ignition and smoother engine operation. The exterior uses epoxy resin and high-strength plastic, preventing overheating and extending lifespan. Mars-Ram also includes a 1-year warranty and guarantees rigorous testing for quality control. If you're driving a Ford truck or SUV and want reliable, efficient performance, Mars-Ram is a dependable pick. Number 2, AA Ignition Coil Pack Set. Next up, we have the AA Ignition Coil Pack Set, a great option for BMW and Mini owners looking to restore lost performance. These coils are a direct OEM replacement for part number GN10328, and they fit many BMW 1357X and M models from 2002 through 2015. If your car is showing poor fuel economy, hesitation, or a check engine light, these ignition coils will help bring back that smooth performance and crisp acceleration. Each coil pack is engineered to meet or exceed factory specifications, and you get a 2-year or 24,000-mile warranty with full US technical support. AA Ignition offers excellent quality and value for anyone looking to replace worn-out BMW ignition coils. Number 3, A Premium Ignition Coil. For the Porsche enthusiast, we have the A Premium Ignition Coil. It's compatible with multiple Porsche models, including 911, Boxster, and Cayman variants, covering engines from the H6 2.5L to 3.8L across model years 1997 to 2012. Each coil matches OEM part numbers like 96602100400 and 997602100200, ensuring perfect fit and performance. These coils offer OEM level reliability and are built with premium materials for consistent spark and power delivery. A Premium also backs their coils with a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase. If you're driving a Porsche and want to keep that performance edge, this coil is definitely worth checking out. Number 4, Spark Whiz High Performance DG508 Ignition Coils. Our next pick is for those who want extra spark power, the Spark Wise High Performance DG508 Ignition Coils. Delivering 18.9% more energy than standard coils, these are designed for high load and high performance conditions. Each unit uses high-grade copper wire, a thick silicone boot, and a stainless steel spring with ferrite core, making them durable under extreme heat and stress. They're also easy to install, and SparkWise includes clear instructions and a 2-year or 24,000-mile warranty. If you want more power, longer lifespan, and stable performance for your Ford or Lincoln, Spark Whiz is a top performer in its category. Number 5, Delphi GN10328 Ignition Coil. Finally, we have the Delphi GN10328 Ignition Coil, a trusted name in automotive parts. Delphi uses advanced winding techniques to precisely control the wire length, preventing voltage breakdowns that can cause coil failure. Their coils are made to OEM specifications with high-quality wire coatings that resist cracks and pinholes, and vacuum-sealed epoxy that reduces air bubbles for superior insulation. Every Delphi coil undergoes endurance testing to ensure reliability under real-world stress. If you want factory quality performance and longevity, Delphi is one of the most reliable ignition coil brands you can choose. That's all for today's video on the best ignition coils you can buy right now. All product links are listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.